Let's see how to start a new Wix site from scratch. So first, we need to create new site. Let's just set it up without chat. Let's just skip it for now. Let's just skip this for now. Skip everything. Let's go directly to design site. Let's pick a template. And to start a new site from scratch, let's go to blank templates and start from scratch. Click edit. And there you go. In here, you can now edit and start your own site from scratch. Everything's blank. You can add your elements right here. You can choose, add your text, image, button strips, galleries, whatever's in here, and you can add pages in here in the pages and menu. You can add your page. You can choose whatever page you want in here. Have service, projects, contacts, and there's templates to choose from. And you can also go and add apps in the Wix App Market. What do you want to add apps? What do you want for your site? You can add some calendars, maps, comments, and whatever you like for your site. And that's it. That's how to start a new Wix site from scratch. See you soon.